Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. In the previous video, we discussed about the content of sets, right, of class 10. So in this video, we'll continue the previous class students. Let's start. So in the previous video, we discussed about the representation of a well-defined and set, right? The definition of set and well-defined, right? In this video, we are going to discuss about the representation of a set, students. The representation of a set. The representation of a set is usually denoted in two ways or more than two ways. Okay, students. The representation of a set is denoted by two ways or more than two ways. So in this scenario, I am going to explain two ways. That is roster form, first one, and second one is set builder form. Okay, roster form is also called as list form, and set builder form is also called as rule form. Let's see. In roster form, in this representation of set, all the elements in the set are written separated by commas and enclosed by curly or flower bracket students. Okay. Now, take an example, the set of natural numbers less than 10. So how to represent this? The first name of the set should be there and enclosed by the flower brackets and separated by the comma of each element, and no element should be same, students. All should be distinct. Okay. So what is condition of less than 10? It should be up to 9. So this is a list, the sequence of numbers or list of numbers we call. Okay. So it is a representation of a roster form, students. Coming to next example, the set of all letters in the word January. So give the name of a set, that is B. Okay, and open brackets and JANURY, where A is repeated, the letter A is repeated, we don't take into consideration, students. Okay. Now, the set of digits in the Ramanujan number. Ramanujan is the mathematician, right? So we call 1729 is a Ramanujan number. Okay. Once upon a time, he took a taxi and he traveled. The number plate of the taxi is 1729. So based on that number, he discovered some cube roots and square root, students. So that one we discuss later. Okay. So how to represent that Ramanujan number? You should remember this point. What is a Ramanujan number? In nothing but 1729. Okay. So how to represent that in list form? Give the name of a set, that is C, open brackets, and separate all the digits as elements with comma, students. 1, 7, 2, 9. Here order is not important. You can write in any way. Either 7, 9, 2, 1 is up to you. Okay. Here order is not important in list form. Okay. And no repeated value should be there, students. No. See, I have mentioned here under note. Under note, I have mentioned in roster form, the order of elements are mentioned as immaterial. No order is required. Okay, all the information should be gathered, but without any repetition, students. Okay, so I hope you understand this roster form. Okay, I hope you understand this roster form. In the next we are going to other type, that is set builder form. Set builder form is totally different, students. In this method, a set is described by using representative and stating the property which the elements of set satisfy. Okay, we have certain rules for representation of set builder form. Let's see. I have taken an example, the set of natural numbers less than 10. So how to represent in set builder form? Name of the set A, open brackets, that is common as set representation, x colon x, the set of all we call this, x we call it as set of all, that two dots colon we call such that x belongs to natural numbers, and x less than 10, students. X belongs